Good morning students, welcome to the science class. In today's lecture we are going to study the properties of light. Light, which is very important in our life. So what are the specialities of this light? Let us see. The first most important thing which you should know regarding light is it is a form of energy. The next thing is it travels in a straight line. So light is a form of energy and it travels in a straight line. For this we have to perform one activity. If we take 3 cardboards and place it on the table, and then the 3 cardboards, if we fit on the table with the help of a clay, we just make a hole in the center of this 3 cardboard, then we would notice that a hole is to be done in the center of the 3 cardboards. With the help of a torch, just pass the light through it. You will see light traveling in a straight line. Even light, it travels in all the directions. That is one more important property of the light. It travels in all the directions, whether it is north, south, east, west, northeast, north, south, east, west, right? So all the direction it travels. Next is light is having ability to strike on any opaque object and then bounce back. This property of light is called as reflection. That is why we are able to see different things around us. अगर reflection नहीं होता, then we could not see different things around us which are there, right? So that is the reflection. Next important property of light is light can pass from one medium to another. Light can travel from air to water, water to soil, soil to again air. This property of light is called as refraction. So reflection means striking of any of the light on any object and bouncing back, while reflection is traveling of the light from one medium to the another. Some another properties of light are it can split into 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. In short form we would say Vibgyor. Similarly, what is there, we can see light passing through any object and transforming, splitting into 7 colors. The next important property of light is it is very fast. It can travel up to a distance of 3 into 10 raised to 8 meters in just 1 second. It is the fastest ever thing which can travel on this universe. Fastest ever thing. Our next topic is how do we see through things. So there are different things around us. Some of the things around us are such that we which do not allow light to pass through them. They are opaque. We cannot see the things through them. For example, your book is placed, and if you place anything behind your book, you cannot see. While some substances like you place cardboard and then you just place anything behind cardboard and you see it. That is, you cannot see that object. So such things are called as opaque, in which if any thing is placed behind that particular object, you cannot see. While there are certain things, if placed behind a particular object, we can see them slightly. Such objects are called as translucent. For example, wearing a sunglass. Then you see the things behind the sunglass, you can see it not much clearly. Tracing paper is there, or a fine cloth is there of cotton, or a ground glass is there, right? So you can see the things but not clear. So such things are called as translucent. While there are certain things, if placed behind such objects, you can see them clearly. They are transparent objects. For example, glass. Anything kept behind glass can be seen very clearly. Anything kept behind the specs, your spectacles, can be seen very clearly. Anything placed behind the window pane can be seen very clearly. So such objects are called as transparent objects. So these transparent objects, translucent objects and opaque objects are very important in our life, you know. How they are important? Let us see that.